Greetings, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic peripherals with a focus on comfort and productivity. We'll be exploring the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, a device designed to revolutionize your typing experience, improve posture, and reduce wrist strain. Stick around as we delve into the features, design, and why the ERGO K860 could be the game-changer your workspace needs. Let's kick things off with what truly sets the Logitech ERGO K860 apart, its ergonomic excellence. Say goodbye to awkward wrist positions and uncomfortable typing. With its curved, split keyframe, this keyboard promotes a more relaxed typing posture. And that's not all. It reduces wrist bending by a remarkable 25%. Typing comfort is key, and the ERGO K860 doesn't disappoint. The pillowed wrist rest, equipped with memory foam, offers 54% more wrist support compared to standard keyboards without palm rests. That means you can type for longer hours without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. What good is an ergonomic keyboard if the keys don't feel right? Well, worry not. The ERGO K860 features perfect stroke keys that are designed to match the shape of your fingertips. The result? Precise and fluid typing. Your fingers will glide effortlessly across the matte surface, and the scooped keys make it easy to keep your fingers in the right position. Flexibility is key, and the ERGO K860 has that covered too. It offers an adjustable palm lift feature that ensures your wrists remain in a natural, comfortable position, whether you're sitting or standing. With tilt legs at 0 degrees, -4 degrees, and -7 degrees, you can customize your typing experience to suit your preferences. Now, you might be wondering if this keyboard's ergonomic claims are backed by experts. The answer is yes. The ERGO K860 is certified by United States Ergonomics to improve posture and lower muscle strain. It's not just another keyboard, it's designed with your well-being in mind. Comfort isn't just about the wrist rest, it's about every detail. A fabric layer with an easy clean coating, high-density foam for a firm feel, and comfort memory foam for sustained comfort. It's a triple-layered comfort experience. But the ERGO K860 doesn't stand alone. It's part of the Logitech ERGO series, designed to minimize fatigue and reduce tension with smart ergonomic designs. Pair it with the MX vertical ergonomic mouse for a natural, handshake position. Or opt for the Mix ERGO wireless trackball to move your cursor with minimal hand and wrist movements. It's a complete ergonomic ecosystem. In conclusion, the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard is more than just a keyboard. It's a solution to improve your typing experience, posture, and overall well-being. Say goodbye to wrist strain and discomfort, and embrace a more natural way of working. That's a wrap for today's review, folks. If you're ready to take your typing experience to the next level and invest in your well-being, check out the links in the video description to get your hands on the Logitech ERGO K860. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights and reviews.